In this video we will talk about foods to gain weight. Gain weight fast. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Are you underweight and don't know what to eat to gain weight? Millions of dollars are spent each year on magazines, books, and weight gain supplements. Gaining weight does not happen overnight and requires a commitment from you, but does not have to be hard if you work out and eat the proper foods in large enough amounts. Numerous people are continually searching for the fastest ways to gain weight and don't know what to eat. If you truly want to learn what to eat to gain weight and maintain it, a diet rich in calories and protein combined with a regular weight training regimen will help you accomplish your goals. If you are looking for the best weight gain supplement for you, take into account your diet and exercise routine before making a decision. Weight gain supplements can be very beneficial when used in conjunction with the proper diet and weight training routine. The major part of your calorie and protein consumption should come from the foods you eat. Substituting a weight gain supplement for a meal is never a good idea. Your body needs the natural nutrients found in lean meats, poultry, fish, vegetables, and carbohydrates. Weight gain supplements can be used effectively as a weight gain aid when they are used to supplement your diet, not replace part of it. A diet consisting of large amounts of protein, fats, carbs, and high in calories is essential to any weight gaining effort aided by weight gain supplements. Training with weights is necessary if you want to build new muscle tissue, and a weight gain supplement can be used after a workout, in between meals, or as a snack but should never replace a meal. Foods to gain weight quickly. The following nutrient-rich foods can help a person to gain weight safely and effectively. 1. Milk. Protein shakes can help people gain weight easily and are most effective if drunk shortly after a workout. Milk offers a mix of fat, carbohydrates, and proteins. 2. Protein shakes. Protein shakes can help a person to gain weight easily and efficiently. A shake is most effective at helping to build muscle if drunk shortly after a workout. 3. Rice. A cup of rice contains about 200 calories, and it is also a good source of carbohydrates, which contribute to weight gain. Many people find it easy to incorporate rice into meals containing proteins and vegetables. 4. Red meat. Consuming red meat has been shown to help with building muscle and gaining weight. Steak contains both leucine and creatine, nutrients that play a significant role in boosting muscle mass. Steak and other red meats contain both protein and fat, which promote weight gain. 5. Nuts and nut butter. Consuming nuts regularly can help a person to gain weight safely. Nuts are a great snack and can be added to many meals, including salads. Raw or dry roasted nuts have the most health benefits. 6. Whole grain breads. These breads contain complex carbohydrates, which can promote weight gain. Some also contain seeds, which provide added benefits. 7. Other starches. Starches help some of the foods already listed to boost muscle growth and weight gain. They add bulk to meals and boost the number of calories consumed. Other foods rich in starches include potatoes, corn, quinoa, buckwheat, beans, squash, oats, legumes, winter root vegetables, sweet potatoes, pasta, whole grain cereals, whole grain breads, cereal bars. 8. Protein supplements. Athletes looking to gain weight often use protein supplements to boost muscle mass, in combination with resistance training. 9. Salmon. 6 ounces of salmon will contain about 240 calories, and salmon is also rich in healthy fats, making it a good choice for those looking to gain weight. 10. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are rich in nutrients and calories, with 1/4 cup of dried cranberries containing around 130 calories. 11. Avocados. Avocados are rich in calories and fat, as well as some vitamins and minerals. 12. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a high-fat, high-calorie food. It also contains antioxidants. A person looking to gain weight should select chocolate that has a cacao content of at least 70%. A range of dark chocolate is available for purchase online. 13. Cereal bars. Cereal bars can offer the vitamin and mineral content of cereal in a more convenient form. A person should look for bars that contain whole grains, nuts, and fruits. 14. Whole grain cereals. Many cereals are fortified with vitamins and minerals. However, some contain a lot of sugar and few complex carbohydrates. These should be avoided. 15. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein, healthy fat, and other nutrients. Most nutrients are contained in the yolk. 16. Fats and oils. Oils, such as those derived from olives and avocados, contribute calories and heart-healthy unsaturated fats. A tablespoon of olive oil will contain about 120 calories. 17. Cheese. Cheese is a good source of fat, protein, calcium, and calories. A person looking to gain weight should select full-fat cheeses. 18. Yogurt. Full-fat yogurt can also provide protein and nutrients. Avoid flavored yogurts and those with lower fat contents, as they often contain added sugars. 19. Pasta. Pasta can provide a calorically dense and carbohydrate-rich path to healthy weight gain. Avoid bleached pastas, and opt for those made with whole grains. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.